Howdy, y'all. Chasco here. Yesterday, went to the Regal Rails train show down in St. Petersburg, Florida. And I've got some videos from that, and I'll show you the haul from there and from Zitnik Trains. I think Barney got tired of waiting for train shows. I recorded these guys in the past, but here we are at the Regal Rails train show in St. Petersburg, Florida. I would have recorded the vendors, but there weren't very many N scale.
But I got the tri-rail running right now. If you want me to stop any trains, let me know.
I'll get my wife to push more buttons.
Yeah, back more buttons. Go ahead. Oops. Did somebody shut it off? Wait a minute. Somebody.
Well, it says on. Both of those are on.
Just this was on. Let me just check to make sure it's plugged in. Sometimes I have problems with that. They were just playing with it just a while ago and it was okay.
Huh. There we go.
Okay. Did the light go off again?
Yeah.
Oh no, there it goes.
Oh, it should say Auga. That's really annoying. What not to get my granddaughters.
Right.
Oh my. Okay. That's traffic. Oh yeah.
If you're ever down Orlando now has Sunrail running. And fortunately nobody's made any Sunrail. But they did make some Tri-Rail, which is Miami. Unfortunately, what you see is what I was able to get. That's it. I really should have at least 2 cars.
Yeah, most of the Tri-Rail I've seen have been 4 and 5.
Yeah, right.
Well,
Sunrail I've only seen 2. Tri-Rail's doing the third down.
We live in Orlando and that runs right through Orlando.
Yeah, that's Sunrail, yeah.
Yeah.
here's some little structures I can consider for my layout.
One thing in Kissimmee, you've got both the Amtrak and Sunrail through the station there. And it was nice down there because I was running Amtrak and driving it there. Yeah, those are the same type of cars that Sunrail is running.
Well, we ran on the
Sunrail.
Sunrail from Orlando to where did it go? To Barry?
Yeah.
Anyway, we wanted to go there at the first,
Right.
we followed it back down.
Nice little layout. That's cute.
Isn't it?
So,
That's all her. So there's no sense in being. She's the artist in the family. I put the track together and run the trains, and she decorates.
Okay.
I realize.
You see Gene and them up there?
Huh?
You stop and see Gene and them?
Oh yeah.
These gondola cars were $5 gondola cars.
So
were they?
The cheap pipe faster gondola cars, the latter end of the production. And she repainted them.
She's talented. That's for sure.
wish you could find a pot. Put some popcorn. Got the end of the guy in the box. But I have the money for that.
inside.
No, on top.
The walking brake. Oh, they got it up there and they got a candy store around it.
Yeah. But, the one in Lionel has a zombie on it walking down.
Oh, okay.
And the other one is just a Halloween show.
And you don't have it? I do. I didn't know that. No, I lost my head.
What the hell are you thinking?
Before I wasn't.
The vacuum has taken over again.
That's true.
You work for Hoover?
The hollow space.
Do you work for Hoover?
Yeah.
Vacuum?
Yeah, I worked with them. That was our boss, Hoover.
Okay, there were only a couple of vendors selling N-scale stuff, but here is the haul that I got based on those two vendors. And I know I'm using iced reefers, but I like the billboard cars.